effort is funded in part by a ready-to-learn television cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service.
Kix thanks you for joining us for another healthy serving of good things to grow on. Clifford on PBS, where the fun of learning is kid-tested, mother-approved.
All kinds of wonderful things happen when you play together. That's why we believe in and proudly support PBS Kids TV. Hi-Ho Cheerio, one of the My First games from Milton Bradley.
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping children discover the fun of developing their bodies and their minds. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
And by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and from viewers like you. PBS Kids!
Watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.
I watch the W Kids TV on Washington State.
Great job.